Hey there! Welcome back to another interesting video from DigiFix.
With a WhatsApp business account, you can make customer service more efficient, personal, and scalable. Here are 6 ways to provide better customer experiences through the WhatsApp business app. Step 1. Send text, voice, and video messages to customers around the world at no cost when connected to the internet. Take customer support to the next level. Step 2. Create a catalog so customers can shop for your products directly on WhatsApp. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner. Go to Business Tools. Click Catalog, add item details, and save. Step 3. Master instant messaging with automatic greetings, away messages, and quick replies. Be responsive. Save time with shortcuts. Answer common questions efficiently. Step 4. Use group chats to have conversations with your customers at scale. Chat with up to 256 people at once. Share updates on upcoming sales. Step 5. Label and organize your contacts to build meaningful relationships and improve messaging efficiency with automation. Choose or create a new label to connect with customers faster and more easily. Step 6. Add a WhatsApp send message button to your Facebook page. This allows people to easily start a chat with you and helps convert your Facebook page traffic into WhatsApp contacts.
Thanks for watching. Try these tips and let us know in the comment section.